so new, it don't even look like a trail.
You just did it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's go around building trails. It might. Lord.
Oh yeah. There you go.
What did I pee-pee?
Waiting for like one of those crazy drop-offs. He showed one in the picture. Oh yeah, this is gonna get fun. Look. Some nice rocks.
Lord, dude.
Didn't see that drop off coming. We're scraping.
Nice.
Yeah, behind me, you're gonna like that.
Who's behind us? Oh, what do you mean?
Scraping.
What? I've been telling you these
thought you were
brakes are not
connected.
gonna work.
No, they're not working.
Listen, I told you that. Nick,
You know-
can you hand me my soda?
Soda?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Uh-huh. Thank you,
Oh,
friend. Thank you, friend.
hey.
Wow, look at what we're climbing up. That's cool. That looks like fun.
Okay. Ow, buckle.
Good. gonna stay to the left, right. I mean,
I do it.
it's because those rocks and it's look at it, soupy mud.
I know.
He's got lockers.
He does have lockers.
You get it this time.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Yay! My turn.
Oh, don't go. Don't.
I know.
Yeah,
Gotta upgrade the brakes because I was on the brakes.
I told you that yesterday.
This thing just wants to go.
I told you that yesterday. On the line.
I'm gonna stay all the way to the right. Ready?
Ow. Close me. Please don't hit my mirror again or my door handle.
Here we go.
There, duck, yo.
Wait, what happened? Oh no!
You came in. You got sucked.
Man. Oh, my clothes everywhere.
Dude, I'm on the gas and it's not moving.
Oh!
What?
Here it is.
I'm serious.
I'm on the gas and it's not.
I'm on the throttle and the thing's not moving.
Well, we're stuck here.
It's not making any power here. There it goes.
That's what happens when you
right?
get stuck. You don't want to go. I got mud all over me. Broski.
Thanks, Rick. I don't mind if I do. Eat Doritos while I'm wheeling.
Hey man, you want to make a TikTok? Hey man, let's make a TikTok. What is banging? Because I'm about to
Something in the back.
crash out myself.
Wait, I got it. Wait a minute. There you go.
I opened the back right side up, didn't I?
Yeah, sure. Do it again.
What a dummy.
No.
That's what it sounds like.
Wait, what was that?
What?
What's that?
Don't you got a drink? Don't you get 2 drinks?
No, we got one.
Mm-mm.
He drank my water.
And you got him apple juice? And,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And what'd you get him at Maui?
Got my tea.
Okay, so then he has 3 drinks?
No, he got 2.
You do it?
He just scraped.
You sip to it. Right? Right. Right. See, right. Right? Yeah.
Oh.
Just went around that. Nope. This guy's going over.
Oh, motherfucker. We gonna be in trouble. Carter.
Yay. Right? Do it again. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice. Mama.
Oh my.
Right there.
Looking up.
That was fun.
That's it.
I think that's a drop. Right, that number?
Yeah, I found.
Picture.
Yeah, I found. Right.
I see.
We're surrounded by Rubicons.
Oh. Ooh.
We're not. Surrounded.
Take my hand off over.
I will.
Oh boy.
That's because I'm not watching. I'm just reaching.
Don't do things. Don't do more things or you put out. You put on my side is you this or you put it. Be good for it. You're in the car. You're a big part of your car. You're a big part of the car for fun, Nick. Do it again. Do it again. Right. We have a big party. Big party. Here, sheep has come. There's a sheep going to this part of you. God.
Well, Nick, you really can't do that, sir.
I wish sheep going to this part of you.
We cannot drive the Jeep into your school. It just don't
Yeah.
work.
Yep.
It just won't work, buddy.
Can't do it.
What? Can't do it.
Can't do it.
Sorry.
It won't fit through the doors.
Can't do it.
Plus, we'll get in trouble for driving a vehicle inside a school.
I wish sheep was this part of you.
Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
My side.
That's got to be the compressor.
No next time. We cannot drive the Jeep inside to your school. Can't do that. There's no next time.
Next time is something that Italians say.
Yeah,
When you don't get something done. Not next time. Or you can't do something. Next time. Heard it my entire life. Next time. Next time. Don't worry about it. Next time.
Yeah.
Next time.
Sorry.
Now you short a nickel. Next time.
Him, Panic, before you. He can't.
Next time you get it.
All right. The compressor's got to be fixed. Why are you recording all this?
This is fun. Just give it some gas to stay on it.
Yeah. Ready? Alright. Ready? Right? Yeah. Not time ago you taste all you do. Okay?
Oh my god, we should have fixed the
Yeah,
freaking
we
compressor
should've.
wise.
Pretty annoying.
Just gotta go around now because I don't need a flat tire.
Do it again? Yeah. Yes?
I smell coolant.
Hmm?
I smell coolant.
We're not running off.
Oh,
It's running good. I got a feeling you're gonna come down there.
Oh, water.
I see he's not going that way.
Nothing. I was looking something. We're put in the water. Something in doctor.
wait. Where is everyone?
Coming?
You see them?
Yep.
Oh boy.
I kind of.
The drop-offs on the sides are what get me. Otherwise, I'm fine. But when you get drop-offs on the side, you got to make a sharp turn. I'm not into that. Because judging distance is not my thing. I can't judge distance to save my life. So. Yeah, my butt sucks. Oh my good, Steve. Woo!
What the honey?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Did I?
That was not that bad.
I thought there was a drop on on the side of us, I said. You said yeah. I don't
You
know,
said, is there
was
a
it?
drop off? I
Off
said,
to
yes.
Is there a drop off on the side of us when we turn? Like, oh, like I don't like, and there wasn't.
I kind of regret not doing that other thing.
Okay, well, too late.
No, we might go back
No,
around.
we're good.
I just worry about the brakes not holding.
Yeah, well, I told you these brakes were not going to work for us.
No, I gotta upgrade them big time. We need a big time upgrade.
My close to the mirror.
The brakes and the axles, what I worry about. I think we would have been alright.
Me too. The brakes I worry
Well,
about.
we gotta drive it home. Oh, this is the ad.
Drink your own, brother.
Yeah.
I gotta take those off too, actually. These. They were a pain in the butt to get on.
Why did I think we were going that way?
I don't know, we just stopped again though and didn't fix the compressor.
Nope. Fix the compressor.
I don't know why we keep forgetting this. It's aggravating everybody.
Because we're doing new stuff that we're not used to doing, so we're being mindful.
Hey, I'll follow you.
What in the actual hell is he
It's
doing?
going down that way.
Bro. Don't move, okay?
Whoa.
Another 2 feet if you want. You're on the rock. Actually, this one's steeper than the other.
All right.
I'm worried about camper top going up after we get the other one here.
No.
It's steep, but it's not.
Yeah, you just got to hit it straight.
It's right there, so you guys gotta move.
All right.
Nick, you gotta move.
Get over there, boy. Stay behind me.
Yeah.
Watch out, Steve. Go right that way.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? Yeah, you got it.
Come on.
Straighten the wheels out.
Over here, buddy. There you go. Come over here. Yeah, right there. In the back. Over here. Back up. More. Yeah, not right there.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
My son was watching. Right. So this actually was the scariest part. Was trying to get turned around here because you're afraid you're gonna slide into that tree.
Get more over to the upside of that hill, then drive in there a little further. Get in there a little further on top of those rocks and
Guys,
make
more
that
lifted.
swing.
I think I can get it.
All right,
Making the turn's the hardest part.
Did you get video of that?
Yep.
Did you send it?
Yep.
Some point?
Yep.
And
So
then
we'll post them all in the group.
I'll put it in the.
We'll put the link in the group chat.
Yeah, that's what I'll do.
right?
I'll put it right in the group.
Yeah.
Nick, watch out.
Hello, puppy. have no place to jump. Get behind you. Yeah.